Okay, another secant problem. So remember the outside is x. The whole thing would be 3x plus x, which of course is 4x. The outside is 4. The whole thing is 16. So you're going to say the outside times the whole thing is equal to the outside times the whole thing. So this would be 4x squared. And this, I think, is 64. This is a quadratic, and since you only have an x squared term and no x term, you can do the square root method. When you take the square root of 16, of course there are two answers, x equals 4 and negative 4. Negative 4 wouldn't make sense because a segment can't be negative, so we're going to stick with x equals 4. Alright, that's it for secant secants. We're going to move on to secant tangents next.